Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Silver accents throughout the vehicle as well. Really sharp, really clean. Nice looking vehicle. So go ahead and come around to the back here. You'll see our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space for you here. And of course you can always fold down those seats if you need a little extra storage room. Push button to close the trunk here. Let's take a look at our rear seats. Got this dark wood trim accent throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at our driver's side here. So we've got memory seats here for the driver's side and heated seats for both driver and passenger. Controls are right here. Below that is our driver door controls and driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage is currently at 7,432. And we have a push button ignition. Well, here is our Mercedes-Benz display, where you can see our radio as well as backup camera. And of course you can control that with the command center right down here. So you can easily make adjustments there and then just push to actually make a selection. And below the display you'll find our climate control, as well as buttons between switching through different functions on the touchscreen there. We also have our dynamic switch here for switching between different traction and gear ratio modes here. So we got Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, Eco, and customized settings here. Also have our cup holder and a little bit of center console storage. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.